Take a ride in the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.